Welcome to Dreamland Kids.
A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, bouncing on your feet. C for cat, purring soft and small. D for dog, wagging its tail to all. E for elephant, big and brave. F for fish, swimming in the bay. G for goat, climbing up a hill. H for horse, galloping with thrill. I for igloo, cold and bright. J for jelly, a tasty bite. K for kite, flying in the sky. L for lion, king of the high. M for monkey, swinging through the trees. N for nest, where birds find ease. O for owl, wise and round. P for penguin, sliding on the ground. Q for queen, regal and grand. R for rabbit, hopping through the land. S for sun, shining in the blue. T for tiger, fierce and true. U for umbrella, keeping dry. V for violin, music that can fly. W for whale, swimming deep and wide. X for xylophone, making sounds with pride. Y for yo-yo-yo, spinning with glee. Z for zebra, striped as can be.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more.